Hello everyone, in this video we're going to see how you can sign in with your fingerprint to unlock your Windows 11 computer or laptop. First, click on this Windows logo key or Windows logo button on your keyboard and search password. And then you click on change password. You have many options to choose. First of all, there is facial recognition, fingerprint recognition, and personal ID number, security key, and password. You can also, so let's go on with the fingerprint recognition. Just click on the fingerprint recognition and you click on setup. After clicking, click on get started. Then repeatedly lift and rest your finger on the sensor until setup is complete. The sensor for your laptop is now the switch button. After being recorded, they ask you to set up a pin so that in case the fingerprint is not working, you can go on with the pin. Enter the current password you were using before. So as to verify if it's you, click OK. Be asked to enter the new password, the new pin for your window in case the fingerprint is not working or in case the pin is required to start up to sign in your computer. So you enter the pin of your choice. Include letters and symbols, then create your new password. Now your fingerprint is completely set up. You can add another fingerprint if you wish. So thank you very much for watching this video till the end, and I wish you subscribe and share this video to your friends so that you get notified for the next video.